Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Node.js and a package manager. This ensures the runtime matches terminal kit requirements. Once done, create a project folder and initialize it with npm or yarn so dependencies stay organized. Next, install terminal kit and open your main JavaScript file. Require terminal kit and instantiate terminal. This first actionable setup gets you a running REPL-style terminal object. Make sure to save and run Node on the file to see initial output and confirm the library loads correctly. You now assemble interactive components. Start by switching to full screen and clearing the view, which prevents layout glitches. Then instantiate widgets like input field, single column menu, and progress bar so users can interact. Connect each widget to callbacks that update state. Once created, manage events by listening to terminal on key for global shortcuts and widget-specific events like submit or cancel. This approach keeps UI responsive and predictable and helps you separate presentation from logic as complexity increases. You finish by cleaning up. Stop grabbing input, restore full screen, and close the process so terminals return to normal. Then polish formatting using move to, styling helpers, and testing across common emulators to ensure consistent behavior. Finally, add error handling around async callbacks and widget submissions so unexpected input won't crash the app. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: check UTF-8 settings and unregistered input listeners. These often cause freezes or missed input, so unregister listeners and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.